Are you okay?
I'm alright.
What up? Getting ready to go out riding. Got all my gear set up here. Right there. Got some tools. I was working on my brother's ATV yesterday. Let's get my steed. Bell handle, all balls, no skill. Kind of describes me, I guess. Because I'm scared a lot of times. Text my love.
What do you want to say?
I'm at Jorge's. We're getting ready to ride out. Talk to you later. I love you.
There's a dip over there, and it dips and then jumps after the dip. I don't know how.
The one without water?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
What the hell?
Like
I'm in there, and I'm like, "Wah!" And then like that's all I got. I don't know how he's jumping.
You cannot go too fast right there.
So he's going slow and then accelerating.
Yeah.
He's gotta get out. Hang on. Are you okay?
I'm alright.
Just turn it off. It's above you, right there. Damn. Hang on. You good?
No. On the way back, we're gonna be coming that way.
Oh.
The right side.
Okay.
And this section is the only section that we use going in and out.
Okay.
And after you pass the creek, remember where you almost went to the hole? You gotta stay on the right side.
Okay.
To go back.
Okay.
All right.
You good?
Yeah.
All right. Man, that was a good ride today. Just left my brother's house, just dropped off his bike. Got a couple of scabs, a couple of trees. Hit my shoulder. Well, hit a tree on this side. That's where I got this thing. Then hit another small tree on this side. I'm hurting. I was just telling my brothers, man, it sucks getting old. Instead of muscle pain, we get freaking joint pain. Shit's the worst. I'd rather have muscle pain. I'd rather be sore in my muscles than have joint pain every time I ride. But overall, it was good. A couple tumbles, but it was fun. It's good. Getting faster, getting better, getting more comfortable on the bike.